Video number 3. My phone shut down and crashed on me, and I'm not doing a retake from what I did. So in this part series on this 1989 Mercedes 300 SD, there's 3 videos. So what I was about to say is you change both the cores with brand new ones, core removal tools. You see I'm approaching the 100 micron level right now. So it's time to charge. Turn off the low side. We have a 126 chassis, 1300 grams, but this is going to be R134 on this, so I'll put somewhere around 1240, 1260 grams into it. Don't ask me how I know, and I don't go by Mercedes recommended procedures. And don't ask me why. Jumped up microns. I had this one off. Vacuum off. We're hooked up. So the vacuum is off now. I'm open to the high side. The vacuum is stabilizing through all the pipes and tubes. Think of water moving back and forth until it stabilizes. It has to go through an equalization period, and that's what we're doing right now. So this is our resting standing vacuum. Go away, have a Coke, have a sandwich for 15 minutes, read what you got. For 1989, this is good. Okay, off, 0 out. And let's open up the gas. Close, open. Let's read. And there we go. Going on 200 grams, 300 plus grams. Take note of the time. How long does this take to fill up 1,200 grams? You can see it pulsating, the line pulsating as the refrigerant is pouring in. We're coming up to 1,000 grams. Let me start. I'm choking it down. I'm starting to choke down the yellow line to the tank. 1,200, 1,210, and I know I have about 30 grams inside the yellow tank. I'm going to stop right there. Close off the high side. I'm full. How much time was that? Go back on YouTube and count. And if you properly evacuate and you know how to use all the gas laws to your advantage, you too can charge 1,000 grams plus in 30 seconds, 60 seconds. All cars should be able to do that. There are 1 or 2 exceptions. There are some oddballs out there, and they're very rare, so let's never mind them. Basically, if you do it right, you can do that. If you can't do it right and you don't do it right, you won't be able to do that. It's what you know and what you don't know. Learn your gas laws. Okay, so we're done. Let's crank this puppy up. And I might have to make a video for if this phone crashes on me again, because that's what happened just before. On, take that off, full, high speed, open, 36,000, almost 37,000 miles. I haven't tested this before to see if it was working, but we are working, and we're getting down there. I don't have my temperature sensors. This one's hard to get temperature sensors on because there's like no room, all rubber. And so it's really difficult to get temperature sensors on this one. So that's it on this one right now. As you can see, it's constantly, it'll fall down. That's this Mercedes. See, I got that closed. And unfortunately, I didn't open up my laptop or my tablet to show you the temperature. Actually, I got to turn that on and do it. And the app is on my phone, so I won't be doing that. And I will see everybody in the next one. If you want to know one of the best little temperature sensors you could get, and you could do humidity and dew point and your empathy and so many more things than you even know that's possible if you're in the automotive trades. These are the gauge set to get. You've seen the little bag. If you've seen my video I released last night going to TrueTech Tools how to order, and I don't have no link or affiliation with them. I just released a video because I've been using these for years and I like them. So you can see how easy it is to order and what a good tool that is not sold in the automotive market, because you guys always get screwed over the shitty tools that have high markup. And that's it. See you guys later.